Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You need.
Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Christina if you're new here. Today we're doing a Valentine's Day decorate with me. So if that's something you want to see, please subscribe, like, do all the things, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and without further ado, let's get into decorating my house for Valentine's Day. Before we get into it, we obviously need a cup of tea, so this is your sign to go and grab yours. How cute are these little love heart coasters? I think I got these from Amazon, so I'll try and link them below if I can find them. I got these really cute Valentine's Day gonks from Amazon last year. I only really like gonks at Valentine's Day. Does anyone else feel like that? I think they're from Amazon or maybe Etsy, but I'll show you if I can find something similar and link it below. I brought these heart tea lights from Poundland last year and absolutely love them. Just put them on my TV stand with the gonks. On the other side of the TV stand, I put this heart-shaped chalkboard, which is also from Poundland, and then some games that we have and play at Valentine's Day. So there's the Jenga and also the couples quiz. I then placed these heart banners at the side of my living room door on the entranceway. These are from Amazon. This Hug Me plaque is from Etsy and I have one either side of the TV. And then the struggle is real for these short ass people like me in putting up banners and buntings. So have fun watching me put up the Happy Valentine's Day bunting, which is from Amazon too. I then put this love sign on the windowsill with some spare tea light candles that I had and the Kiss Me lights, which to be honest aren't very good. They literally die after one use of battery. They're from Home Bargains, so I wouldn't recommend them. If you know of a decent replacement, please let me know in the comments below. That's the living room basically done. I just put these love heart lights on the TV stand and then put a cozy ambient on to finish the living room off. Just putting my DIY heart wreath on the door and then put down my doormat, which also is gonks. Then I'll put multiple pom-pom lights around the house. These are from Poundland and absolutely love them. Here's Remy sitting on my Valentine's Day box to say hello. And that's pretty much my house. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you're decorating for Valentine's Day. Let me know if there's any good finds in the comments below. I am popping to Poundland at some point, so watch out for a Poundland haul. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!